everybody, welcome to Hands on Science, where if they ever need something to do, this is the place to be. This is Carr.
And this is Mel.
Hey Carr.
Hey Mel.
And speaking of places to be,
we are here visiting our friends at Midnight Science
Club.
Woo-hoo.
Yay! Woohoo!
So,
how about the balloons?
What's with the leftovers from the lemonade stand?
Well...
And I got my balloon too. You told me to bring balloons.
Yes. So we both have balloons. Mm-hmm. We're going to try and pop this without a needle or anything that's sharp using the lemon. How do you think we're going to do that, Carr? Yep. No,
I don't know.
You have to grab, I just get a lemon. You can use anything citrus, but I chose lemon since I was trying to make a lemonade.
Okay.
And what you're going to do is you're going to squeeze it.
The peel,
right? Okay, take everything out because then it gets too watery too,
right?
You know, and the peel, and you're gonna squeeze it so the juice
hits the balloon.
Okay, so you try. All right.
Why does that
How about
work?
you pop mine?
I'll pop yours too. Okay.
Pop mine.
That's so crazy that works.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah, I don't know why. Like it just tickles my little silly heart that worked. Anyway, Mel, thank you for bringing this activity and showing it to us. You have balloon remnants now.
Yeah.
But anyway, if you guys liked this activity as much as I did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And as always, subscribe for more Hands on Science.
Bye.
See you next time.